a trade on BTCUSD. I don't mind these, it's not part. I was just looking for a place to buy Bitcoin long term. But the analysis for this trade starts on the 4-hour time frame. So you can see that Bitcoin was in this downtrend. It reacted off of this POI before going short. And what I noticed was this trend line, this downtrend line. And when I saw this trend line, I wasn't looking to trade a breakout, and I wasn't looking to trade a trend line short. I was looking for price to take liquidity. So other people would look at this as maybe a bull flag or a wedge pattern, but I just look at it as a place where people are going to get triggered into their trade and get their stop losses hit. So what did we see here? We saw price tap into this trend line and push down, but then all of a sudden institutions get into the market and take people's stop losses, and they also break these highs, relatively equal highs, before going short. So we know that the reason why that happened was because they were taking liquidity and hitting people's stop losses. So everyone who bought this breakout, price immediately reverses down, so they get stopped out, and everyone who sold this trend line gets taken out because price breaks above. So then once I saw that price moved up with this strong impulsive move, I knew that institutions were in this trade, so I was looking to go long as well. And then what do we have? I identified my point of interest there on the 1 hour, and then I was looking for an entry at this point. Also on the H4 you can also see that was an order block and a point of interest. Also this inefficiency needed to be filled, but when I got into the market it was already filling, so I was just looking for a place to get into the trade. And I did this on the 5-minute time frame. So we had on the 5-minute time frame, price taps into the order block, but as you can see it doesn't break this structure or this structure. So then price goes deeper in and we form a clear level of structure there because of this retracement, and then price breaks structure over there. I identify my point of interest and I place my sell limit, and price triggers this into the trade. For the targets, know that liquidity rests above and below daily highs and lows. So I labeled out my daily highs and lows, and for the previous day we can see that that was the high. Let me just draw it out there. That was the high of the day. I'm not going to label it low because we were bullish. And so once I saw that this was the high of the day and was above this open price, I just placed my take profit above the high of the day of the previous day and above the previous day's open, and also in this level where there could be an order block. So as you can see, price literally taps our take profit and immediately reverses because that was an area of interest. Also, this sell was confirmed by the fact that we're in a discounted price because the open price was there and we're playing with the daily range. I'm not going to go too in depth with everything, but that was a quick 1 to 7.5 risk reward, and then price began to reverse, and then other setups are forming. So that's BTC USD.